My name is Joe Dickman, and I am the CEO of Emerald Transportation Solutions in Griffin, Georgia. Emerald started in 2001, and we make insulated, refrigerated trucks and vans. With our growth over the years, we were operating out of 4 separate facilities, and we had an additional 2 lots, so we were very disjointed. And it would take weeks to get a vehicle through our production.
So we reached out to Georgia Tech in the MEP program back in the summer of 21. They were planning to make this historical move for the company, and they were taking a very complex operation, and we're going to put it all under one roof for the first time.
When Georgia Tech came in, it was wonderful. We met with the team, and we laid out what we needed, our challenges, and they really listened to what we were doing and the help that we needed. Now with being able to produce a vehicle in days as opposed to weeks, we're able to become more competitive as a company. With our new structure and the way that we do business, we also are focused on safety, quality, and for us to continue down this growth path, it's important that we build a structure that we can do more business.
One of the things in our monthly huddles, we go over safety, quality, delivery, cost. Safety is the first thing we cover every day, and we cover in all of our all-hands meetings. So that culture of safety is driven in by what we've done. And the attendance, the retention, and all that's improved. We've had a great base of employees. They stay with us. We're able to hire employees. They go through the onboarding. They recognize the safety that we're doing. They embrace it. Nobody pushes back, because they know that we want them to be safe, and then they appreciate that. We've had Georgia Tech come back out to help with the ERP system. We've had them come back out to do A3 training on problem solving. Whatever we've asked for, they've been able to reach into their toolbox to help us down this journey.
So there's been a lot of changes, a lot more sophistication with the Emerald Transportation Solutions since we initiated with Georgia Tech. Big part of that is we're adding more people to the team to kind of help us grow. We're doubling the capacity of the company as we're continuing to get better.
Now, with the facility and all the different things that we're doing, we really see that the opportunity is unbelievable. So we're just getting started.